everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by LUNAROSE, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And you guys have read the title of today's video. Since today, April 23rd, I turn 27, so we are celebrating it in style and doing this full-on birthday Barbie bombshell transformation. Also, as a special treat, I will be doing a separate transformation up on my Patreon of a dragon princess. You might ask yourself, why a dragon princess? April 23rd is in fact St. George's Day, and he is the patron saint of England, and he was famous for slaying a dragon. So I figured on YouTube I would be the damsel in distress waiting for a saviour, and up on my Patreon I will do the full-on like dragon beast mode. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below happy birthday, and I will give your comment a little heart, and don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM Greenwich Mean Time, but I will be posting something special on Saturday as well as on Sunday to celebrate my birthday in style. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this birthday Barbie bombshell transformation, shall we? Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, finally came out for my birthday, girl. So I'm going to be starting off this birthday bombshell transformation with my base and brows already done off camera, and yes, my brows are uneven. I did not notice when I was doing my makeup. But to start off my eye look, I'm going to start by taking Taco from Sugar Pill, which is a matte white eyeshadow, to lift my brow bone. From here, I'm going to go into varying shades of brown tones and eventually go to black, just to create a nice neutral soft smoky eye. So I'm going to start by taking a nice soft brown, and I'm going to hold the brush at the end of the tip, just so it gives me a nice soft diffuse look. If I want a little bit more pigment and a little bit more payoff, I will hold it closer to the ferrule of the brush. From here, I then just took a slightly mid-tone brown and just repeated those same steps, and then I smoked a little bit of a darker brown on the outer V. From here, I just carved out an exaggerated cut crease using my P. Louise white makeup base, and just smoked a little bit more of that deeper brown on the outer edge, and then set down that cut crease shape using that same Sugar Pill white matte eyeshadow. And this is just like a really soft but still drag kind of neutral look that will go with like any lip colour, any like outfit choice, any hair colour. But I pretty much then just added a little bit more deeper brown and then smoked out the outer V a little bit more with some black shadow. From here I took my NYX eyeliner and did quite an exaggerated but sharp little wing to my eyes, and then I smoked out my lower lash line with those same brown tones and a little bit of black closest to the lash line. To contour up my face, I took my Give Face Cosmetics Visage palette, and I also used that to reinforce my breast as well as my nose contour, just to give me a nice snatched appearance. From here, I took a very hefty amount of pink blush. You guys know I love blush. And then I took my Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter on the very tops of my cheekbones, which I absolutely love this product, as well as the inner corner of my eyes. And I popped a little bit of white cream paint, also from Give Face Cosmetics, in my eyes, just to make them look nice and bright. From here, I overdrew my lips using the Hoochie lip liner from OCC, filled in with MAC's Snob lipstick, added a little bit more of that white cream paint to the centre just to make them look nice and juicy, topped it with a little bit of a Colourpop lip gloss, and then I finish off my makeup with a matte setting spray from Kimchi Chic Beauty, threw on my Femme top lashes from What a Drag UK, and then that is the finished birthday Barbie bombshell transformation. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and thanks for watching!